This is the AMPATH install maintenance guide. Here to install the software, which we can't really do because it's based off WordPress, and the AMPATH site is based on our mentor's actual AMPATH site, so you can't really install any software for it. But to maintain it and do revisions, you have to be granted an admin account, which gave us one account, and with this account we're able to make pages, install plugins, and edit up contact forms. So here's the main page, and here if we click authentication, it shows our data table for our forms. And now if you want to edit, you hit edit page, which is only accessible if you have an admin account. So you can hit edit page. And here to make revisions and maintain it, you simply edit up different elements. In the contact forms, there's a contact plugin, which I have here. It shows me and my partner's plugins, contact forms that we created. And that's mostly it for our install maintenance guide for the AMPATH site.